just purchased my second Proyama. It's a Chinese knockoff from my Husqvarna. What is it? A 225? 255?
372.
Oh, gee, big boy. Yeah, I got this thing 2 years ago. It's a 68cc motor, and yeah, definitely wanted to get a second one. You can buy these things for $200, and it comes with 2 bars, 2 chains, one 24-inch, one 20-inch knockoff for $200, whereas you get one of those saws for like $1,200. So I'd rather get, 5 of these chainsaws than one of those chainsaws.